All right, in this video, we're going to go over potassium chloride and how we dilute to add to fluids. As you can see, we have a couple notes here. One of the big things to remember, of course, is that potassium chloride is always measured in MEQs or milliequivalents. And we want to remember that 2 MEQs is equal to 1 ml. And so we'll talk about that later when we get to the formula piece and laying this out. Our formula for doing this type of calculation is the mils that we want divided by 1,000 because it's always ordered in liters. And then we're going to times that amount by whatever's left in the bag. So with our first problem here, we have an order of 15 MEQs per liter. We need to know that there's only 250 mils left in that liter bag. So we're not going to do this to order of a liter because there's only a quarter liter left. So the first thing that we have to do anytime we're working with MEQs is to divide by 2. So MEQs, because we need to be able to work in mLs. So we're going to take our MEQ, divide by 2. So 15 MEQs divided by 2 equals 7.5 mLs. So that's our very first part. And now we can say and add everything into our formula here. So we have our 7.5 ml divided by 1,000. And then we're going to times that by the 250 that's left in the bag. Okay, we'll add that into our calculator here. So 7.5 divided by 1,000. We're going to times that by whatever amount is left in our bag, in this case, 250 mLs. So for this first order, we're going to add 1.87, or if your doctor allows, 1.9 mLs of KCl to the 250 mils that's left. Okay. All right, let's set up another one. So in this case, we have a 30 MEQ per liter order, and we have 750 mils left in our liter bag. So the first thing is take our MEQ and divide by 2. So 30 MEQ divide by 2 gives us 15 mLs. So now we take our 15 ml, divide by 1,000, and times by what's left in the bag. And type that into our calculator here, 15 divided by 1,000 times what's left in our bag, and that is 11.25 ml of KCl per 750 ml bag. Okay, let's do the number 3. 7 MEQ divide by 2. 3.5 ml. Set that up in our formula up here. So 3.5 ml divide by 1,000 times by what's left in the bag, in this case 500 mLs, and type that in. And in this case, 1.75 mLs of KCl added to the 500 ml bag. And that is your potassium chloride calculations.